out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
Hey you guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. I am going to be trying to reconstruct this wig from MsBuyHair. I got this wig maybe a year ago, and it was one of the contestants for my wedding, and I went with a whole nother wig. But I've worn this wig before. I do have a first unboxing review on this wig already on my channel, and if I could find it, I will link it down below. But this video, I am going to put it out there. It is a disclaimer. I tried to reconstruct it. I tried to make it work, so y'all don't come for me. I'm learning how to reconstruct all my wigs, and I actually plucked it and bleached the knots and all that good stuff. If y'all follow me on Snapchat, which is AStewart11511, you guys will see that I had already did that, but I forgot to save the clips and put it into this video. But you guys, we're gonna start off with this black cap. Y'all, I didn't have no brown cap, so don't come for me. I'm telling y'all, this is a trial and error video. I did put my black Got To Be gel on, and now I'm using this blow dryer that I got in my Boxy Lux box, PYT. Y'all, I love that blow dryer. It doesn't do cool, but I love it. Now this spray tan I used, oh wait a minute, we have a word from Casanova.
Because I had to charge mine.
I think it's time.
We're back. Y'all know my little boy always got to do his promotional shout outs. That spray tan that I used is for the for your stockings. I've seen a lot of people use it, but I think I got mine too light. All of the products that I use will be down below. It was just a tad bit too light for your girl, so I was trying to wipe it off and all that stuff, but because the cap is black, I tried to make it brown, and I did spray that same stocking spray onto my wig, but you guys will see I'm trying my best to make it look more realistic than an actual wig. I'm trying to make it, I don't know you guys, I was trying to make it look like the actual ball cap method, where it really looks like you're bald headed. So after spraying that spray tan, I did go in with my Maybelline Superstay pressed powder, and my hair, the gel didn't completely dry, so I was kind of messing up right here. But like I said, you guys, this is trial and error. I don't want y'all coming for me. I'm a beginner at the lace front wigs and trying to make things work. Okay, so with this wig, it is so not small head friendly. I put the elastic bands on the very last, and I still had way too much room in the wig, and I haven't learned how to sew down the elastic bands yet. I'm working on it, but I tried to make this wig work. The two bonds that I'm showing you are the Ghost Bond glues that I found on Amazon, and I'm going to use that brown one, which is Extreme Chic Ghost Bond. I just now got an Amazon store, you guys, so I'm going to be having my Amazon store set up for you guys to go and shop my Amazon storefront. I really like this Extreme Bold Hole glue, and it really does work, but I can tell y'all it is not waterproof, and it really, I don't think none of them are really waterproof. None of them. Like, I'm just gonna put that out there, period proof. Like, none of them are waterproof, but this one does hold extremely tight when you apply it. So I'm just going in sections and laying this glue down, and I've been learning from Laurasia I think her name is Laurasia Andres. She does a lot of hair tutorials, and I just been watching from her on how to actually lay my lace fronts down. And like I said, I'm no pro at it. I'm learning, so you guys work with me. Try to learn your mistakes through me, because it is not easy, sis. They make it look so freaking easy and so good, and their hair always look like real hair, but it is really not that easy. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell y'all. When I reconstructed this hair, I swear to you guys, I said to myself while reconstructing it that once I put the wig on, before I actually glue it down, that I was going to cut off some more of the lacing, because I kind of got too plucking happy, I guess you would call it, and I plucked out a lot too much, honestly. And I said I was going to cut half of that lace off. That I forgot that I over plucked. And when it came time to do this hairstyle, you guys, I charged it to my head, not my heart, because I literally forgot to cut off the extra lacing. So I had way too much lace up in the front of my head, and I tried to, you guys will see, I tried to do baby hairs to cover up the lacing, but then I had to do the baby hairs too thick and all that stuff. So if I go to reconstruct this wig again, I will for sure remind myself next time to cut off all that extra lace. And at the same time as cutting off all that extra lace, I need to learn how to sew an elastic band onto my wig so that the wig can actually fit snug and not loose. So I know you guys see all that extra lace. That's the lace I'm talking about. I overplucked it, and the lace, it was just extremely too much. But laying down the wig was really easy. Y'all seen me cut off that extra hair from behind my ear, because that was one of the things that did bother me when I wore this unit the first time. But you guys, the MsBuyHair, she's really good. She's really pretty, and I love the length. But you guys, she shed like I don't know what. I will talk about that in the outro. But you guys, she sheds extremely too much for your girl. I never had hair that really truly sheds that much. So now I'm just gonna tie it up while I do my makeup and let it sit for a minute and let it call itself melting. But you guys, I mean, it melted, but it didn't melt. Oh my goodness, the hair is so full and so pretty, but you guys, it sheds so much. And here I am trying to cover up all the extra lacing with baby hairs that I cut out, which y'all see how much baby hair I had to use to try to cover up all that extra lacing, but it just didn't freaking work. I'm gonna keep saying it, you guys. Trial and error. Trial and mother and error, okay? Y'all don't come for me. Just learn from me. I'm really trying here. I am really trying. I'm trying to learn how to do these wigs so I can bring you guys more wig content. And I mean, the same way with makeup. I wasn't perfect at makeup when I first learned how to apply makeup, but me doing it over and over and practicing a whole lot, you know, I got better with it. So that's just how it's going to be with these wigs too. And baby hairs on that side every single time does not work for me. Like, it gives me so much hell, and I get so frustrated. It even does it when I'm doing baby hairs on my real hair. It gives me so much struggles. Like, I cannot do it on this side. They always come out messed up. But we're gonna keep trying, you guys. Practice makes perfect. That's all I can say. I'm putting the hair back up so that I could tie the baby hairs down again. And I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and then let's see. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. I thought I was gonna straighten it and all that, but I was like, you know what? No, let's just try to style it the way it is. And you know, see, I love it in pictures. I love the way this hair looks. It's so full and beautiful. But in real life, you guys, this hair is a real struggle. But I think I will buy from MsBuyHair again. I'll just, you know, read more of the reviews before actually buying it. And you guys know I'm no hairstylist, but I try to do as much as I can. You guys, I only learned how to do hair for myself, and I always try to do hairstyles, but I'm not no hairstylist. But as you could tell on the video, it looks good. On camera, it looks really good, but in real life, girl, this wig was a hot shitty mess, and I only wore it for like maybe 3 days. That was it. But hopefully you guys enjoyed and you learned something from me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I love you guys, and I will catch y'all in the outro. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look of me reconstructing my old wig. Excuse if you hear the kids in the background. First of all, kids are home. Kids are home. But this hair is from MsBuyHair, and I bought her maybe 2 years ago, and I had her for a long time. This was one of the options that I had for my wedding, and then I decided to go with a different MsBuyHair that I wore on my wedding day. So you guys, I just wanted to show you that I am gonna start reconstructing my wigs. I'm no pro, y'all. This piece of hair is doing its own thing. I'm no pro at it, but you guys have been asking about my wigs and stuff and my installments. I did do this review, the very first review on this wig on my channel, so I will have that video linked down below. And y'all don't judge me, my chair needs some WD-40. I did use this Chic Bold Invisible Hole lace bond, and I got this one off of Amazon, as well as the Ghost Bond. And you guys did want to see an updated review on the Crazy Hole Glue, which I posted that years ago, and thank y'all for so much love on it because I got over 13K views on that video. But the Crazy Hole Glue has dried out way before I could even do the review, so therefore I wasn't able to do a updated review or a takedown review. But if you guys would like for me to repurchase the Crazy Hole Glue and redo that video and an updated video and all that good stuff, let your girl know, because I have no problem going back on Amazon and purchasing that glue. But this time I wanted to test out this Chic Bond glue. It's an extreme hold, and to me it seems to be working way better than the Ghost Bond. For one, as y'all seen that I did my installment, and y'all seen how quick it dried down. Y'all seen how when I laid it down, it just stuck right in place. And this wig from MsBuy, I think I mentioned that in the previous video, but this wig is not small girl head friendly. Like, this wig wears really big. I have to put the straps on the very last ones, and even though the straps is on the very last loops, y'all seen how I still had space and had to, you know, work my edges out and stuff like that. The updated portion to this wig is that MsBuyHair does shed a lot. She is really full and really pretty, but she really sheds a lot. No matter if I'm washing her, blow drying her, combing her out, or just trying to style her, she will shed. So I'm kind of scared that here in a minute she's gonna start thinning out because she sheds so bad. So hopefully you guys like this video and want to see me reconstruct the old wigs that I have, and y'all want me to bring that to my channel, I can. I have many wigs. After I wear them, after they get matted and old, I really don't do anything with them. But I decided, like, let me try. I'm not no professional, but I can try. And I can honestly say, even though this is not the best and it's not as professional, I feel like I did a pretty good job with reconstructing and bringing this back to life. Like, you can't tell my lace or anything. Oh, there is one thing I wanted to mention to you guys. If I was to reapply this wig, which I'm pretty sure I will go ahead and cut more of the lacing off. I kind of forgot or didn't really pay attention to it when I was putting the wig on, but I have way too much lace laid out, so therefore I will be cutting it some more so I won't have as much lace hanging out, but I did cover it up with my baby hairs. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your holidays, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.